So as you can see, put all the screws back in. That's just so we don't lose them. This is the temperature connectors at the bottom, and that's the casing as it came off. Yeah, I've had real problems getting some of those on because of the way that the thing's done. So now this is compacted together, but you might be able to see. Well, no, you won't be able to see. I don't think. Let me just put the phone on. You might be able to see through. I don't know if you can. If it shows. No, it didn't. Basically, that's a gap, and that's where the cooling goes. So what I'm going to do now I've got this like this. I need to. It's the end, that end there that's got the voltages on them. So now what I'll do is I'll turn this upright, hopefully, or perhaps on its. No, I'll probably just turn it over. I don't even need to do that actually. But what I might do is turn it over anyway, so that I can get the bar off, and then that means I can just remove the packs and I can insert the right ones in. Yeah, but before I do that, I want to make sure that the one that I put in is charged to the same level as these. So I'm going to have to put a charger on it, which I will do. I'll just use a standard power pack to charge it up, because it only ever needs it once. And then, yeah, we should be good to go.